With EVs, electricity is the juice of the vehicle. Without having the ability to charge, you're not going to go far. EV charging is a combination of networking and electrical wiring. It may be a surprise to many people that the most common reason for the station not being operational is the connectivity. That has implications on the revenue for the operators, but it also impacts on the reputation, because if you cannot trust, you will not be visiting the charger the next time you drive by. If networking is done right, the EV chargers operate smoothly and the drivers have an excellent charging experience. Managed networking is a service from Hypercharge where we design the connectivity specifically for the chargers in the building. With managed networking from Hypercharge, we don't take any shortcuts. We start from the drawing from the building's developer or owner. We take the drawing of the parkade, we indicate where the chargers are or will be, and we carefully design the network and the placement of each access point on specific networks with specific antennas and the hardware to match the EV chargers deployment and secure excellent Wi-Fi coverage. Managed networking from Hypercharge takes away a lot of headache from the property manager, because in case of the downtime, the property manager would be the person or the group that needs to resolve the connectivity issue. With managed networking from Hypercharge, we take initiative and we start resolving the issue right away. After the managed networking is in place, we have the ability to remotely monitor the health of the network and make the right decisions in case there is any action required on troubleshooting. Managed networking from Hypercharge allows the installers to deploy and commission the EV stations easier and faster and make them available for use. Managed networking is the best way how to connect your EV chargers online.